Hi friends, let us learn when to use has and when to use have. Has is used for singular, have is used for plural, and also I, you. I have, you have, like that. Yeah, do you know what is singular and plural? Okay, I will give you some examples. Book is singular, books are plural. Pen, pens. Pen is singular, pens are plural. Lollipop, lollipops. Lollipop is singular, lollipops are plural. Let us see few examples for has and have. In discussion, we discussed that we should use have for I and you, right? So, I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. A spider has 8 legs. Spider is singular, so spider has. Do you have these shoes in different color? We should use have for you. So, do you have? A car has 4 wheels. Car is singular, so car has. We have a new doctor. We is plural, so we have. Jenny has a doll. Jenny is plural. Jenny is singular, so Jenny has. The eagle has sharp beak. Eagle is singular, so eagle has. Thank you.